Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have my new Christmas baby. I decided to name her Emily Grace, and we are going to go ahead and change her outfit. So she came with this vintage dress I know you've seen. I will show it to you again. Nice little vintage dress. But we're also going to put her in two other outfits. So stay tuned and we will take a look. Alright, so here we are. We have Emily Grace and little Callie. I just want to give you a size comparison. When I said she was big in the video, yeah, she is big because Callie's 19 inches and this little girl, she is just so big. And I like that she actually sits up on her own. Little Callie, I have to kind of support her. Alright, so I actually changed the positioning because of the light, but I just want to show you some of the details on this girl. Look at how much detail is put into this doll's face. It is just incredible. I mean, she looks so realistic. I cannot believe it. She's probably one of my most realistic dolls. And she actually has a thing in her neck that actually lets her head go back and forth, which I really, really like. And her limbs, these are 3/4, and she's actually the only doll I have that has like this threading on there. I don't know if that's maybe a way that an optional way, but I've never seen that done before. But she has so much detail. I'll let you take a look at her legs too. But she's just got incredible details, veining. Her body's a really nice weight. Like I said, she's really, really heavy. But she is absolutely adorable, and I just love that she could sit on her own. So let's get her into another outfit. Okay, so here she is in the other outfit that she came with. I just think she's so cute. And I love her socks. These socks did not come with her, but I just put them on her. They're nice and frilly. But isn't she just precious? So let's take a look at the next outfit. Alright, so here she is in the next outfit. I just love this one. Look at that. She's wearing this cute little pageant dress and she just looks like a little princess. Isn't she just so sweet? On to the next outfit. Alright, so here we go. We have her in her final outfit. She's wearing these corduroy overalls, and I put her back into the same shoes. And she wears 6-month size, but some are actually 3-month. So either or will work on her, but she is a big baby. I just love her very much. But you tell me which outfit change you like the most out of all of these. It's a really hard choice, but I think I'm going to leave her in this for now, just because it is still a little chilly out. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing too, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!